guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the May and June Boxycharm. So yeah, let's get started. This is the May's box, and yeah, let's open it up. And this is what I got for the month of May, and this is the Boxybharm theme. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items here. The first that I got are these brushes from Aesthetica. Looks like this, and this is retail for $27. So this is separate. This is the P12 face brush, and it looks like this. This is how it looks like. It's soft. Yeah. And these are the 3-piece eye trio. This is retail for $45. Wow. That's expensive. So this is what I got. This is the Cover FX blurring primer. Looks like this. This is how much is this one? This is $38. Oh. Next that I got is this matte lip gloss. Looks like this. This is from the brand Beauty Creations. This is retail for $10, and this is what I am wearing right now. It's pretty, I like it, but it's sticky. I don't like that. No. So yeah. Let's open her up. This is what it looks like. The next thing in the box is this. What is this? This is the ink gel eyeliner from Pretty Vulgar. It looks like this. This is a gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water-resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. This is $24. Cool. The last item in May's box is this Pure Sculpting Palette. It looks like this. This is retail for $30. And let's open it up. Oh gosh. Oh. So this is how it looks like. I like this. It has a mirror and smells so good also. This is a 4-shade sculpting palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. Oh, looks like that. So that's all for May's box, and let's jump into June's box. This is the June's box right here, and the theme for June's box is, what is this? It's the Caribbean Queen. It looks like this. So the first item here is this brush set from Luxy. Yeah, it's from Luxy. This is, let's open it. Oh, this is super soft. Wait, this is retail for $42. Yeah, I like it. Next item in the box is this guy right here. This is the Brazilian Bam Cream from the brand Sol de Janeiro. I don't know how to say that. So it looks like this. This is $10. The next that I got in the box is this eyelashes. Look how cute is this. Look at that. And this is from the brand Baddington, or I don't know, Monroe Silk Lashes, and this is $28. And this is how it looks like. So pretty, nice. Next that I got is this lipstick from Ofra, and this is long-lasting liquid lipstick, retail for $21, and it looks like this. This is in the shade Verona. And next is this eyeliner pencil from Jonte Blue. Again, I don't know how to say that. And it looks like this. This is $5. Looks like that. And the last item in June's box is this eyeshadow palette from Alamar Cosmetics. It looks like this, and this is retail for $28. And this is how it looks like. Oops. Look how pretty this palette is. I love the color. I love the packaging. Yeah. And I heard this is a very good palette. So yeah, I can't wait to play with this one. So yeah, that's all for this video. For this May and June's Boxycharm box. And yeah, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment below. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!